Hello everyone, friends. In my career today, I will show you how, accordingly, to correct the security error of the absence of the internet. Yes, in short, Wi-Fi is connected, but there is no internet. To do this, you will first need to look at our adapters. Here we write here, look at the internet connection, click and select your Wi-Fi adapter. I have 5 internet connections, just turn it off and on. For example, the internet has disappeared and will appear now. Roughly speaking, reboot the adapter. Next, you can try disabling the VPN. To do this, we also go to the settings, the internet respectively, and the network. Click VPN and disable the VPN if you have it enabled. Further, you can still try to reboot the Windows component that is responsible for Wi-Fi connection in the services. Yes, configurations. To do this, write services and yes, start services, click and write WLAN autoconfig here, right click and accordingly reload it if it is enabled. If disabled, click on the start button. Here you are waiting for the turn on. If that doesn't work, you can also try uninstalling VPN apps that can also affect the network. To do this, go to Start Settings, Applications, Installed Applications and write VPN here. That's it. Well, or if you know the name of your VPNs, then accordingly, just click delete and delete all VPNs. That's the way it is. Next, you can try to update the adapters, respectively, the drivers for your adapters. To do this, right-click on Start and click Device Manager. So here you will need to find your Wi-Fi adapter or Internet adapter. And my Wi-Fi adapter is responsible for the Realtek PCI GBA family controller. But in my case, yes. And you can have a Wi-Fi controller or a WLAN controller depending on what kind of motherboard or laptop you have. Right-click, click Update Driver, click Find Drivers on your computer, select from the list and select the Internet controller Yes, or choose from Microsoft Realtek. In general, you can try all that will help you. Maybe one of them will help you. The main thing, accordingly, is to click Next, and it is updated. After that, restart the computer. You can also try to write one command in KMD. Go to Start KMD and write ipconfig plus DNS here. Here we press Enter. If all these steps didn't help you, and even after restarting your computer you still have the same problem, then the only thing left to do is reset the internet. To do this, go to Settings, Internet and Connection. You can just write a reset network reset here. Here's a reset of the internet settings. Then you can completely reset the internet settings to factory settings. That's all. Ever was with you. Bye everyone.